That's the time to take your girl, wine on her, squeeze her, squeeze that booty cheeks and everything. Slowly, slowly. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming back to Moses Show. Today is Sunday, and that's the Power of Music, Chapter 4. Let's do it. We're going to talk about the Woody Woodboy song called manmi tololo. It's like basically, here's my mom, here's mommy, and I'm happy that mommy is coming. You know what I mean?
Ouais, fait un pilier expérience. Cette fois-ci, m'envie coller là.
I've done a lot of terrible experiences in life when it comes to women, but for you, I think I want to stay here with you. I want to stick around for this one. By your side, there's hope. I feel very good while I'm right next to you. You know what I mean? And the happiness that we share, and I cherish all of those things. I want to stick around for this one. Just a little love that you give me, right? And I already feel fulfilled. All the emptiness that I had in my life, you're already fulfilling those, and you don't even try, really. You give me so much joy, so much love, and I feel like every day is like a Thursday. You know what I mean? Because on Thursday is just a special day for us. Here you are, and I'm very happy that we're actually sharing this time together. I never thought in a million years I would be meeting somebody that could bless me in such a way, because you're a blessing to me. I never thought it would be you that would be coming into my life and collect all the pieces of my heart and put everything together again. You like putting everything together in my life. You take my heart. You put love in it. You put joy in it. Take my heart. You put joy in it. You take this specific heart and you put love and joy and everything. All the great things in it. That's the time to take your girl, wine on her, squeeze her, squeeze that booty cheeks and everything. Slowly, slowly. That's a Woody Woodboy. Me mami tololo. Woody Woodboy. That's a beautiful kompa, beautiful music, Haitian music, beautiful music. Without you, I'm like a half person. I'm like a pieces of me. I'm not complete without you. You're basically complimenting me, because without you in my life, I'm like a half person. I'm not complete.
Encourager, faire glisser fort. Femme vite puis compétent.
You've been encouraging me, you know. I feel like I get smarter with you, you know.
Ou prend humiliation pour moi. Ou toujours là pour moi.
People, you know, talk trash about you for me, and you take all of it with poise, and you take all the humiliation and all the negatives for me, and then you stuck around and
Ou faut qu'il sacrifice pour moi.
you sacrifice yourself for me,
Ou mériter l'amour. Oh.
and you actually deserve the ultimate love, and I'm here for it. I'm here. Beautiful, beautiful, kompa. Beautiful. Me mami tololo by Woody Wood Boy. That's the beautiful song by Woody Wood Boy. Me mami tololo. It's like being happy to share a beautiful love with somebody, you know. That's a beautiful thing. And today again is Sunday. A Power of Music with the Moses Show. Support us, and we're gonna keep it going. Stay blessed.